Hi, guys. I hope you're good. Hi, my name is John Ongare. I'm a certified TFL English tutor. I also have a background in psychology. In my English lessons, I'll use a method that makes learning more effective and more comfortable. We'll start each lesson with an icebreaker so you feel relaxed, and I'll explain the grammar, the vocabulary clearly. I'll show examples, I'll ask questions at the end of every lesson in order to check understanding. Then my psychology background actually helps me understand students, how they learn, what motivates them, how to build confidence as you continue speaking, reading, writing, and listening. So whether you need help with conversing, exam prep, or everyday English, I'll tailor lessons to your goals and we will work at your own pace. If you're ready to improve your English and reach your goals, book a lesson with me. Thank you.